It actually is. Ooh, we like that. What is Kawhi doing?
He's stepping.
He's beating up the Lego guy?
Mm-hmm.
Why is he doing that? Kawhi's a nice guy. He's a fun guy. Anyways, Mia, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Harry. I want some toilet.
Here we are once again.
Toilet.
No. So,
I don't know.
remember, we just talked about MTE, and we talked about some things. Now, your hair is a mess yet again. Oh, it's so bad. It's so
I
bad.
did a pouty hair. No, yeah.
Here.
Can we take off his cover off of his mask?
All right, so I need your help.
What help?
So we can talk about air fresheners. Remember when we reviewed air fresheners when I came back from SEMA? Well, now we got some new ones. You ready to check them out? Huh? You ready to give them the smell test and see if you like them? Okay, I got the hat. You want this hat?
Is this your hat?
Yeah, that's my hat. Okay, so
I knew my head it was like.
we got 5 different air fresheners from MTE. Which one do you want to open first?
Me, no.
You want to open this one first? Okay.
It's a spray bottle.
So this is Bead Maker. Everybody knows Bead Maker from PNS Detail Products. Mia, you ready to smell? Let's go. You ready? Give me a good smell. Give me a good smell.
Good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is. It actually is. Ooh, we like that.
That's a happy thing.
So, Bead Maker, air freshener from PNS. Mia loves it. She wants to put a happy face on it right away. Big sticker right away.
So we need to put it like this.
Okay.
That's like.
So we'll set it right there, okay?
Can we take off the cover?
That one smells good. We like that one. Well, which one do you want to do next? Which air freshener? We got... Which one? Let's try this one.
No.
Oh, you want to do the leather repair company? Okay, we'll try this one.
And a repair company. Now with a personality. Is that Ella with a personality?
Is that what you said?
Yeah, to
We're just gonna rip it.
Angela, and she repeated after me
Oh.
because she's talking.
Ooh. Mia, give it a smell. You like it? All right. This one is really strong.
It's not strong.
It does smell like leather, but it's.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's it doesn't work for me. But you like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Mia. So this is a happy face or a sad face? What is this?
Happy face.
Happy face.
Oh,
Are you gonna put it on there?
2.
Okay.
And it's going to.
No, not on my car. Not on my car.
It gets 2. I get 2 happy.
One on each side.
Yeah.
All right.
Everywhere.
Put it on.
It's covering the second eye.
Okay. So leather repair company. Me as a fan. Which one do you want to open next?
Mo.
Max Shine? Okay. So this Max
Let's
Shine.
do this one.
Oh, you Adams? You want to do this one instead?
No.
This which one? This one. Okay. So
Now
Max
the
Shine,
slippery slope.
all for detailing. Go ahead, smell it. So, you like it?
I kissed it.
This is no good.
This is good for me.
You liked it? You like all of them, but this one is this one. You want put a happy face or a sad face for you? Max Shine. Even last time from the SEMA event, I wasn't too thrilled with theirs, but.
Is this one going to be all happy faces?
It's up to you, but we'll put that here. All right, so you have 2 left. You have one from WG product line. Now this is like deodorizers and things like that. They had a bunch of stuff for like recon work. So we wanted to try this one out, and then Adams, which is a commercial brand everyone knows. Mia, which one's next? Pick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
this one.
Which one? This one? Okay. So we're going to open the one from WG next.
Look it.
Okay, smell it.
I wanted the Orbeez.
Smell it.
I wanted the Orbeez. I want to play.
What do you
with
think of this
you.
one?
Good. I wanted to play.
This one's good?
And I want to play with the Orbeez.
Okay, we can play with the Orbeez later, but hold on. You really like this one? Now, I like what it has. It's cool to hang up afterwards and everything. It has a nice little picture. Looks like Corvette. But, smell-wise, this don't work. You putting a happy face or a smiley face?
A happy face.
Okay, get your happy face.
You could do the next.
You want me to grab it?
And
Okay.
then hey!
This is not an authorized rating from me. I would give this a sad face, but Mia wants a happy face, right? There you go.
And the next one we'll open it up later.
No, we're gonna open this right now. So, Adams.
Just
We'll
like
check
the
this out.
Addams family.
No, not like the Adams family. This one's not too bad. So far,
It's
it's good. You like this one?
it's a little strong.
It's a little strong. I don't know what it is. Doesn't work for me.
It works for me.
You want a happy face or a sad face?
I have a face.
Happy face. So, Mia, are you happy with your air fresheners you got from MTE?
Is that all happy faces?
You gave them all happy faces just because you like anything that smells, right?
And I got upset faces if they don't.
Okay. So, out of these 5, which one was your favorite?
All of them.
But which one was the best? Which one was number 1?
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo.
So this one? So according to Mia, Adams Polishes, this was the best air freshener
Because it has no corners.
because it has no corners. Now for me, it was PNS, the bead maker. This one smells really good. Mia, which one's your second favorite? Which one's number 2?
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Which one, the leather? Ooh. For me, the Adams would be the second. And then which one's your third? Oh, because yours is here. So which one is your third, Mia? Out of these 3.
It's just like jelly.
Bead maker is her third favorite. What about
These are squishy.
what about these 2?
I'm gonna squish them all.
I know you're squishing all the Oreos. What about this one?
Good.
And this one?
Good.
Okay, which one's better out of these 2?
Because I have the best smell ever.
Here, you gotta pick. You gotta tell everybody which one's better. This one, so Max Shine. And then this one's the last?
Yeah.
Okay, so according to Mia, this is the best smelling air freshener that she received. Then the one from Leather Repair Company. Then the bead maker from PNS. Then Max Shine. And then WG product line. So, Mia, you liked all these? Are you going to put any of them in your car?
Yeah.
Well, you already have one in your car. You have the Shine Supply juice box.
Can we put some more?
Yeah, we can put more.
Whoa.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Yay! Bubble.
Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, caddies.